bro, f that Call of Duty shit, bro. I'm on Monday. That comes out tomorrow. What are you talking about? I don't care if it comes out tomorrow. You're not supposed to be cooking at any rate. Bro, just cook it for me, bro, please. Please, bro, please. Please, got you. Thank you, man. Don't do that.
Alright, so this broke ass nigga don't know how to cook.
What is that?
I'm gonna have to cook for him, right? We're making Asian food. This is gonna be quick. Listen up, right? We have ginger, mince it, garlic, mince it, onion, little thick slices, you know what I'm saying? Little across from it. We're not gonna cut it to squares, we're just gonna do the slices, you know what I'm saying? For the basil, what you gotta do with the basil, right? Take basils. I know I have a plant, it's not my fault. These niggas is bougie out here, so fuck it, right? So basil, put it on top of each other, right? Roll them up, and then chop them on the sides. Chop them down the sides. You're gonna get little ribbons. That's what we want inside our rice, right? For our chicken, right? I use chicken tenders, you know what I'm saying? I literally just chop them up, small squares, actually medium squares, medium dice, you can say that. All right, marinated, it's gonna be marinated with a soy sauce. This sauce. I literally, where is it? Literally, this is the sauce right here. You know what I'm saying? It's type booty. I found it in Stop and Shop. I don't know where you can find it. But if you don't have anything like this, the stir fry sauce, just use oyster. Try to find oyster sauce and soy sauce, right? You could just use soy sauce in general too, but it don't matter. So I use this sauce right here, right? The stir fry sauce. Put a little bit of it because I don't want like a exploding flavor with the chicken. We're gonna season it with salt and pepper, and then we're gonna bring our eggs out, right? Our eggs, I don't like to put the eggs in the pan while the yolk is in it and you see all that white around it. I mix my shits up, you know what I'm saying? Mix it up, season it, and then next. All right, so our water is boiling. We put 4 cups of water in there. So we're gonna have 2 cups of rice. So every 2 cups of water is 1 cup of rice, all right? Do that math and you get how much rice you ever want to be. Equal amounts and equal parts, you know what I'm saying? 2, right? Leave that cooking, put a lid over it. Medium to high heat, you know what I'm saying? And let it cook, right? On to the next. Hold on. Let me talk to y'all real quick. Modern Warfare is coming out. That means Nas the Gamer is back. 2K, f 2K, they be selling me. They be making me brick shots.
My name is Die. Hit me!
Brick cans out here, you know what I'm saying? Look at me when Modern Warfare comes out and tell you I'm goated. Alright then. I'm goated, nigga. I'm goated.
Put our chickens in the pan. Take the feet up. Set it around.
So our rice is done. You know what I'm saying? Some of our chicken is done too. So after the chicken, lower the heat because you don't want to burn the eggs, right? Maybe the medium, more the medium low, medium type shit, right? Put these eggs on here. Take your egg, let it cook slowly a little bit, and then scramble it, man. If you don't know how to make scrambled eggs, you'll bot. Should not be playing Call of Duty. If you see me in the lobby, you're dead. Alright, that's it. Put it on a plate aside. Now, you're gonna add in our aromatics, right? Put a little oil so we can cook nicely good with the oil, you know what I'm saying? That's a little, yeah, that's good. Garlic and ginger in first. You know what I'm saying? I'll drop the onion in it, but it's all good. Don't matter. Add the onions in right after. Right, probably a little more oil just to get it cooking good, not burn. Add a little oil to that. The way I see it, once I smell everything together and it's not like burnt, that's another thing, don't make it burnt. So once I smell the garlic and then ginger, I add in the onions. And once I see the onions turning like sweaty and shit, right? That's when I will add in my rice. It's about to take a little bit more than that stuff. I'm gonna make it go further than that, you know what I'm saying? Add that in. Add in the basil. whey protein and shit, add all that shit back in. You're gonna put a little bit of that. Not a lot, just a little bit. Make a good circle like that. Alright, let me see how that takes us. You know what I'm saying? Look at that plate design. Yeah. Alright, time to go give it to this real quick. Alright, guys, that's your food right here. You ready to eat this shit or what?
Thank you, bro. Yeah. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? My stomach is killing me. I'm not even gonna hold it. Valid. Go back to playing with Call of Duty now. Well, hold on.
Oh, shit. Put in this shit. Oh, this shit got me to take a shit. Hold on. Gotta lose the bathroom real quick. Oh, shit. Hey, nigga, my shit killing me real quick. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe with the notification bell.